Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Integ's Agent Login Logout report. This is a reporting tool that Integ have developed for our customers to provide some reporting capabilities that are otherwise not available through the standard Genesis CC Pulse or Genesis CCA reporting tools. So this reporting tool works in a web-based interface. There are 3 reports available in the system. The first two relate to login logout times of agents and durations, and the last one is an agent activity detail report which shows second by second agent activity throughout the day. I'm going to very quickly demonstrate each of the reports. So I'll start with the agent login logout report. I'll select a date or a date range and an agent, and I'm going to generate that report. As you see, Rachel on that date, you see the login and logout timestamps and the duration of each login duration, and then a total for the day. So that's the report in a nutshell. So we can go back and I can show you the same report for an agent group for the same date. So we'll just do that one. And so for this agent group, the different colors represent a different person, and you can see at a glance their login times and their login durations. So I'll go back again, and I'll show you the agent activity detail report. So this report, I think probably easier just to get the report up on the screen, and we'll have a look at it. So this is the standard report without any filters or sorting options. It shows you second by second throughout the day every status change that the agent had. If they were on a call, if they were in after call work, if they were waiting for a call, if they were in not ready, if they were in not ready and there was a reason specified, it'll show you what that is as well. So you know that's quite a long report, as you can see, for one agent for a day. There's a lot of status changes, which is why we also offer some filtering options. So we can just say only show the not ready events. And so we'll have a look at this agent for the day when they were in not ready. So they're in not ready and the reason selected. So there's a bit of 5 minutes of training at 10:34 to 10:39, and then there was a 10-minute break, and then there was a 3-minute personal break, 45 minutes presumably for a lunch break, and so on, and then the total not ready time for that day. So we go back again. We can have a look at when they were available, waiting for calls, and also the after call work. So I guess if you have a look at the ready events only, and we sort by duration descending, and what that gives you is a nice way of just sort of having a look at, for this particular agent anyway, how long was the most time they had to wait between calls, and what time of the day was that. So you might be able to see some patterns around, when agents are spending this sort of amount of time between calls, or what sort of time of the day, and so perhaps you're overstaffed in that area. And then also on the other end of it is, when are they spending very little time between calls, and therefore perhaps you're understaffed. So some of that stuff might be interesting anyway. And the after call work filtered by duration may be useful for coaching purposes, as would the not ready durations, because you're able to see what the maximum time was that they were spending after call work, and what time that was, so you can speak to agents about lengthy use of after call work or not ready, or whatever it is that you're looking at. So that's the reporting tool. And if you'd like any more information, then get in touch with us, and we can give you a live demonstration. Cheers.